Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to see how to activate Kia Connect in Kia Seltos. So guys, you can see here we have an option to activate Kia Connect now. So let's start with this activation process. So we need to just review and agree to the terms and conditions here initially. Just scroll to the end and you get an agree button here. Click on agree. Similarly, you have around 4 pages of privacy notice here to agree. Just you need to continue agreeing this privacy terms and conditions. So now you can see this Kia Connect is successfully activated. Click on OK. Next, go to inside and click on Kia Connect. Here you will be able to see the Kia Connect settings and the settings you can configure here. And now you can see this weather and vehicle diagnostics. So you can see here the vehicle diagnostics has been completed and it shows all normal here. All the systems are good, and you can check the calendar. For this you need to connect this via your Kia Connect app in your mobile, and you can share your destination as well with someone else. So you see here, this is the Kia Connect app which is installed in my mobile. Here initially we need to sign up. Anyhow, I have signed up here, so I no need to sign in again. I just need to add my vehicle here. Here also I need to agree to the terms and conditions. Here I need to scan the QR code. Yeah. Once you scan this, so it will add it to your mobile app. You will get a verification code here onto your car, and that verification code you need to enter here. Yeah, so you can see here the enrollment is successful. Click OK, and you can see the vehicle is added. This is my vehicle. Yeah, give access to all this. So this is the app for this Kia Connect. You can see here you have this various options through which you can control your car. You can lock your car, you can start the engine when it is from the outside itself, and unlock the car as well. And you have few more options here, like you can stop the engine, and you can start the light also, like blinking or on the car. And few other options. You have this climate control settings here. From the app itself you can control the AC of your car. So guys, now we will demonstrate how to use this Kia Connect app to start and stop the car and set the temperature from outside itself. Okay, so as this car is connected now, and now we have connected this app as well. We have log into this app, and you can see these options here for lock, start engine, unlock, stop engine, and light on. So let's see how it works. We will click on start engine, and the remote control command has been sent. It takes some time. Yeah, you can see the lights blinking and the car has been started. Okay, so now as this, you can see the car engine start successful, remote signal has been sent. So similarly we have this option to stop the engine, so I'll click on it. And the car has been stopped. You cannot hear the engine running now. Similarly, you have this unlock option. Car has unlocked now, and you have this option to lock. Car has locked now. In this app you can see here the range, how much it is there left, it shows here, and the engine lock status is off and it is locked. You see the climate control status here. If you click on details, you can see like air conditioning is off, wind defogger is off, and rear window heating is also off. And similarly you can see the other details as well, like door is closed, tailgate is closed, bonnet is closed, air purifier is off. So similarly you can see the map as well, where the car is located now, and you can see the nearby filling station, gas filling station, or any eateries or Kia dealers as well. And you have other options as well here, like multiplex and other stuff. You can search the. So here you have this account settings. You can reset your pin or change your pin password, or terminate your account as well. Apart from that, you have this vehicle and service settings here, where you can see your shared car details or share a car with some other users as well. And apart from that, you have this vehicle selection. If you have more than 2 vehicles in the same account, you can add that as well. Apart from that, you have this new services. In this you can gets connected to the Kia India, and you can check your Kia Connect subscription, renew your Kia Connect subscription and other things here. And you have this app settings, where you can enable your biometric identification, push notifications and other stuff.